Here on the East Coast, we have an approaching ice storm, and the power is likely to go out due to ice on the power lines. So I am preparing our household to potentially go without power for a couple days. Here we have a Generac 22kW generator capable of running the entire household. In order to ensure the generator can run for a couple days without any issues, we've decided to change the oil. Here are the tools we need to include the new filter. I am a big fan of AMSOIL, and that is precisely what I'll use, their 10W30 ATV UTV motor oil. We'll start out by unlocking the enclosure. You'll have to find the key left to you by the installer. Open the enclosure, and inside you'll find the button to turn off the unit to make sure that just in case the power goes out while you're changing the oil, that the generator doesn't try to start. First thing we'll do is we'll take the drain tube out of the zip tie holding it in place. We'll unscrew the end and then allow the oil to drain. Now this took forever. When I did it, about an hour to get all the oil out of the generator. There's just shy of 2 quarts of oil to drain. Now while the oil is draining, we can go ahead and replace the oil filter with the new oil filter. There is just a little cleaning involved as the oil drains out of the filter housing. Just take some of the oil, lubricate the seal, and reinstall, rotating the new filter about a quarter turn after it's hand tight. Like I said before, it took forever for the oil to drain out, but once it is fully drained, reinstall the drain plug and place it back into the zip tie. It's time to refill the oil. We can do the first quart rapidly, but the second quart has to go in much slower. That way we do not overfill the engine. Check the oil just to make sure there is not any overfill condition, and then we're going to start the generator, run it for a moment, allow oil to circulate through the filter, and then we'll check the oil level again. In order to start the generator manually, press the blue button in the middle. Once the generator has run for a couple minutes, shut the generator down, and then we'll check the oil level again. The generator is ready to run once again, so we'll place it back in auto. Should be somewhere around 1.9 quarts of oil in total. We'll close the enclosure, lock everything back up, and now the generator is ready to operate and power the house in the event of another power outage. The oil doesn't seem to be in that bad a shape. It's been in there about a year, probably about 30 hours of usage since the last oil change. One more walk around the generator just to make sure the little green light is on and everything is secure. We hope you enjoyed today's episode on changing the oil on our 22kW generator. We hope to see you again very soon on Thrust and Thunder. Please like and subscribe, and leave any questions you have down in the comments section below, and we'll see you on the next one.